Hey everyone, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I'm flipping through another one of my digital kits today. I have this playlist of short videos where I'm adding digital kits that I've done so that you can see details and decide if you want to purchase it. Link to my shop is below. This one is called Down Purple Lane. You just click that, type it into the search bar and it pops up. So this is Down Purple Lane. You can get it digitally or printed. The prints have free shipping in the US. So Down Purple Lane is inspired obviously by the color purple, also by vintage ladies. And I've done digital faux stitching. That was a lot of fun. This one says this book belongs to. So this is a kit. It has pages and it has ephemera. I love how soft these backgrounds are and how beautiful the vintage ladies are in black and white. Gorgeous backgrounds. Love, like, there's watercolor effects and florals, and the florals pop through on her skirt in a doily. This one has a couple of butterflies because I always have to throw butterflies in somewhere, it seems. This one has a fun frame on it. Love this background sheet. I have used this one in many journals. It goes really well with a lot of themes. It's a very neutral background. Double, almost like a stationary letterhead type. So when you fold it in half, it's like this, and then that's the other side. There's some mini frames here. Those sweet little ladies. Also love this background page. Gorgeous. This one's really cute. The morning glories and the little women chatting. So when you fold it in half, they're on this side. And then that has the stitched heart. Also, this is an ephemera piece. So here's a lady reading a book with a purple background, another purple background with some flowers. It says some banners. Today I will, tomorrow to do, and thoughts. Another ephemera page. We have 3 simple purple tickets, a fussy cut butterfly, a heart tag, or 4 heart tags, another ephemera piece there. Another ephemera sheet with some faux postage stamps, some tags, buttons, and other ephemera pieces that go really well with the kit. And back to pages. I love the ribbon. This one's beautiful with that like hanky in the background. Gorgeous flowers, as well as that really pretty label with the gold rose. I hope you enjoyed Down Purple Lane. Check out this playlist for the other digital flip throughs that I have added.